Topic number 5, writing. Question 1. Do you often write things? Absolutely yes. Writing is one of the things that I love doing in my leisure time. I practice writing every day to sharpen my language and writing skills, as well as relieve stress after a hard working day. Do you prefer to write by hand or write using computer? It depends. When writing about everyday things or practicing for the IELTS test, I would rather write by hand. I only use a computer to write academic reports. Do you think computers might one day replace handwriting? I don't think so. It's true that the computer has been doing a good job in helping people to write. However, I don't think that will totally replace the traditional way of writing, as there will be no computers to rely on in urgent cases. When do children begin to write in your country? Vietnamese kids start learning to write at the age of around 5 to 6, which is considered quite early by some European experts. But Vietnamese kids know how to do it well actually. Vocabulary. To sharpen a skill means to improve your writing skill or some skills. To sharpen my communication skills, I participate in a lot of curricular activities to rely on. I don't think we should always rely on theories in books because there are many unexpected situations which cannot be solved by them in real life.